You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y=1. Let's solve it step by step. Group all y terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 6y from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 5 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the y. Divide both sides by -5. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is y=1.